एवरीवन, आज हम करेंगे सर्वाइकल स्पॉन्डिलाइटिस, वर्टिगो या शोल्डर पेन, तीनों के लिए काम आएगी उस प्रकार से एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। इट इज़ सीन वेरी कॉमनली एंड मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो भी बनाया था, उसको भी आप सब ने बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स दिया है। उसका भी मैं लिंक डाल रही हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, वो भी देखिए। एंड जो भी आपकी थेरेपी चल रही है, फिजियोथेरेपी या ऑर्थोपेडिक ट्रीटमेंट या जो भी चल रहा है, उसके साथ में ये एक्सरसाइजेस भी कीजिए। दैट विल प्ले अ मेजर रोल टू गिव रिलीफ इन दिस काइंड ऑफ पेन और स्टिफनेस इन मसल्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। थोड़े यहाँ के मसल को पहले लूज़ कीजिए। नेक एंड शोल्डर मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो में बताया है, तो सीधा हाथ को लूजन अप करने वाली एक्सरसाइज से विल स्टार्ट। 8 to 10 रिपीटेशन। ऊपर लीजिए 10 टाइम्स। इफ़ यू कैन नॉट टेक अप तो पकड़ के कीजिए, एक दूसरे हाथ को इंटरलॉक करके कीजिए, तो दैट विल हेल्प इफ़ इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग। तीनों साइड से ये हुआ अपवर्ड। अभी साइडवेज, यहाँ से यहाँ स्ट्रेच आएगा, उतना पीछे लीजिए। पीछे जाते टाइम हाथ को रिवर्स कर दीजिए। 8 to 10 रिपीटेशन। अभी मैं 10 बार बता रही हूँ। You start with 10, but you can 20 and you can make it 2 to 3 times. 20, 20, 20. So start with 10 repetition and relax. Give a few breath, relax in between. Then sideways. 1. If you can take till down, then better. And palm facing sky, palm facing down. Breathing in upper, breathing out down. Every time body will manage and cooperate breathing pattern by itself. You can do this like alternate also. This way 8 to 10 repetition you can do. And hold for 8 to 10 count. Raise your hands, stretch your hands, elbow straight, palm straight, and do not overlock thumbs. This way give a good stretch, upward stretch, and relax. What we did in front position, that also you can do it like alternate mountain climbing like exercise. So 1, 2, breathing in हाथ ऊपर, breathing out नीचे, inhaling up, exhaling down, like you are climbing a rock with support of rope. So give resistance, add resistance. Do not do just like this, so make it with little bit of resistance. Then hold it here, parallel to floor, shoulder level पे सामने, 8 to 10 count. And you can do this with weights also. And if you do not have any weights, you can do it with like a bottle like thing or anything with bottle. That will strengthen your muscle and relax. So do this 5 times and relax. Shoulder strengthening exercise you must add. And one last exercise in sitting position. Interlock and opposite stretch. Left hand left side, right hand right side. Give a good stretch. Give a good stretch, opposite side. Back side. While giving back side opposite stretch, you will understand which muscle is a bit tight or needs to be relaxed. So you can work on that. You can apply pain relief balm or hot massage or गर्म पानी से शेक या जो करना है, you can do that. And do this with reverse hand also. Opposite stretch, same opposite stretch, opposite stretch. So right hand upper side, left hand upper side, 2 to 3 times you can perform. Now let's do some exercise in standing position and few exercises with wall support. Let's start first exercise. Do finger walking, take support and 1 inch walk with fingers. Go as much as you can. This is limit for now, so give a push. Relax, come down. One more time I am showing, you have to do it same 20 times. Start with 10 times, gradually increase to 2. Relax. So I am showing one more time slowly. If you can reach till here, then just press, go towards wall. Gradually it will go higher and higher. Second exercise, find a corner and just push yourself. Hold for 10 seconds, 20 seconds and do this 20 times. Just go and hold the position and relax. Again, just go, elbow up, try to keep it parallel to floor and relax. So this was exercise in standing position and with weight prop I am using, but if you do not have dumbbell you can use bottle. I will show you both. Suppose my left hand is paining, in that case I will do it this way, higher and relax, higher and relax, higher and relax. 20. If you do not have this kind of weights, start with half liter bottle. Later on you can fill it with sand or bigger bottle. So this way and this way. Set of 20 repetition at a time, and this is also going difficult. If you cannot do that, do it with support. I am showing for left hand, so right hand will give support to left hand. This hand, right hand will pull and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way 20 repetitions. So do these exercises, keep your neck and shoulder muscle free and feel good for your day-to-day activity. Practice this and let me know in comment box. Thanks for all your support for first part of this video. So do both of this exercise. Description box में मैंने already डाली है neck exercise. So see you with another video. Thanks for watching.